Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and quick review of the newest Oracle card decks that I created. I worked on these for a while and finally they're printed. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what they look like. Okay. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna open this deck first. So the first deck is the Oracles de Fleurs by MOCA. There are 42 cards in this deck. And as the name suggests, it has to do with flowers. And I really like vintage style things. So this delicate deck has very sweet messages, interesting messages that I hope you'll find very encouraging and will resonate with you. And I look forward to using them for my readings. This deck is called Café Karma Oracles by MOCA and also has 42 cards in this deck. It's very vibrant and colorful and sort of mandala themed. And like many of my Oracle decks, the messages were intuitive and I hope you like them. Next deck is... So this deck is called Postcards from the Universe and has 42 cards in this deck. The images are plant and nature themed with some very encouraging messages from the universe. Very, very cute. And my next deck. This is a very large deck. It has 108 cards. This deck is Intuitive Oracles by MOCA. And the messages in this deck are all intuitive messages that came to me, and it took me a little while to compile all the messages that came over a period of time. It includes some mirror numbers and the like, because these I kept seeing in a repetitive fashion, and I thought there was definitely some message in that. So I did some research and put definitions for what each of the numbers that I kept seeing again and again, what they mean. And the last deck is Song Oracles by MOCA. As some of you may already know, I write and compose music, and I thought it would be fun to do a deck based on some of my song titles, because each of my songs really tells some kind of story or gives some kind of message. So here we have the song name, and it just gives a little brief description of what the song is about. There are 36 of these cards, double-sided, so there's 72 messages. And if you haven't already added me to your playlist, please do so. The artist name is MOCA'S World. So there you have it, guys, my latest Oracle card decks. I really look forward to using them all in my upcoming readings. If you are interested in purchasing any of them, I'll have the link to my storefront included in the description section below this video. Hey collective, I hope you're well. If you're enjoying my readings, I have a small favor to ask. Would you be so kind to take a quick minute and go to my YouTube page, True Oracles by MOCA, and subscribe to help me grow my channel? I would so appreciate it. The goal of my readings is primarily to motivate and to spread good vibes. So please share with family and friends. Thank you and have a fantastic day. If you're interested in purchasing any of these decks for yourself or to gift someone, Check out the links in the description section below the video.